Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best ergonomic keyboards 2025? Here are my full reviews of the best ergonomic keyboards 2025. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. ProtoArc Backlit Bluetooth Ergonomic Keyboard EK01 Plus. Experience comfort and productivity with the ProtoArc EK01 Plus Backlit Bluetooth Ergonomic Keyboard. Designed to promote natural hand positioning, this full-size wireless split keyboard features an ergonomic layout that reduces strain during extended typing sessions. Whether you're working from home or in the office, the cushioned wrist rest provides all-day support for improved comfort. With dual Bluetooth and USB connectivity, easily switch between up to 3 devices, making multitasking seamless across laptops, tablets, and desktops. The soft white LED backlighting enhances visibility in low-light environments without being harsh on the eyes, ideal for late-night work sessions. The EK01 Plus is rechargeable, offering long battery life and eliminating the need for constant battery changes. Its quiet, low-profile keys deliver a smooth and responsive typing experience with minimal noise. Whether you're a professional, student, or casual user, the ProtoArc EK01 Plus is the perfect blend of form, function, and flexibility, helping you work smarter and more comfortably every day. Number 2. Experience next-level comfort and productivity with the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Designed for natural hand positioning, this split keyboard reduces strain on wrists and forearms, promoting healthier typing posture for long hours of work or study. The built-in cushioned wrist rest provides extra support, making it ideal for professionals, gamers, or anyone who types regularly. Enjoy seamless connectivity with both Bluetooth and USB options, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of devices: Windows, Mac, tablets, and more. The USBC rechargeable battery offers long-lasting power, reducing the need for constant charging and keeping you focused on what matters. Enhance your workspace ambience with the vibrant 7-color backlight, perfect for typing in low-light conditions and adding a touch of personalization. Every keystroke is quiet, responsive, and precisely engineered for a smooth typing experience. Whether you're working from home, at the office, or on the go, the Nulea ergonomic keyboard brings comfort, function, and style together, so you can type smarter, not harder. Number 3. Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Experience next-level comfort and productivity with the Nulea Wireless Ergonomic Keyboard. Designed with a split layout that promotes natural hand, wrist, and forearm positioning, this keyboard helps reduce strain and fatigue during long typing sessions. The integrated cushioned wrist rest provides exceptional support, ensuring a relaxed and ergonomic posture throughout your workday. Enjoy versatile Bluetooth and USB connectivity, allowing seamless switching between multiple devices such as Windows PCs, Macs, tablets, and smartphones. Whether you're at your desk or on the move, this keyboard offers reliable, wireless performance with a clutter-free setup. The built-in USBC rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting power, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. With responsive, quiet keys and a thoughtfully contoured design, the Nulea ergonomic keyboard blends comfort, efficiency, and style. Compatible with both Windows and Mac OS, this keyboard is a perfect choice for remote workers, office professionals, and tech enthusiasts seeking an elevated typing experience. Choose Nulea for healthier hands and smarter performance. Number 4. The Perixx Periboard 612B Wireless Ergonomic Split Keyboard is designed for enhanced comfort and productivity. Featuring an ergonomic split key layout, it promotes a natural hand, wrist, and forearm position, reducing strain during long typing sessions. With dual wireless connectivity modes, 2.4 GHz and Bluetooth, you can easily switch between multiple devices for a seamless workflow. The keyboard is compatible with both Windows 10 and Mac OS X systems, offering versatile use across platforms. Its sleek black design adds a professional touch to any workspace, while the built-in wrist rest provides additional support. The tactile responsive keys deliver a satisfying typing experience, ideal for professionals, writers, and anyone who types frequently. Setup is quick and easy, thanks to plug-and-play functionality with the included USB receiver and Bluetooth pairing. Whether you're working at home or in the office, the Periboard 612B offers reliable performance, modern connectivity, and ergonomic comfort, all in one. Make the switch to a more comfortable and efficient typing experience with this advanced wireless keyboard solution. Number 5. The Valzer Ergonomic Backlit Keyboard is designed to elevate your typing experience with a perfect blend of comfort, style, and functionality. Featuring wave-shaped keys, this keyboard follows the natural curve of your fingers, reducing fatigue and enhancing accuracy during long typing sessions. The integrated wrist rest provides extra support, promoting better posture and reducing strain. With 7 vibrant backlight colors, this USB wired keyboard doesn't just look great. It ensures visibility even in low-light environments, making it ideal for both work and gaming. Its dedicated phone/tablet holder adds convenience, allowing you to keep your devices within easy reach while multitasking efficiently. Built with durability and everyday performance in mind, the Valzer keyboard connects seamlessly to any computer via USB and delivers smooth, quiet key presses for a distraction-free environment. Whether you're typing reports, coding, or chatting, this comfortable lighted keyboard transforms your workspace into a more organized, stylish, and ergonomic setup. Upgrade your desk with the Valzer keyboard, where design meets performance.